Here to discuss to you the different parts and components of a computer. So first, let's tackle down the first part of a computer, which is the case. So as you can see, the case is built with a strong base, like a shell. So what is the purpose of this? This one helps to contain the components of a computer, like the CPU, motherboard, and then the power supply, and then the graphics card, and then other things. It protects it from dust, foreign objects, from to be destroyed, and then possible for electric, yung kumbaga hindi ka makuryente or hindi ka mag-ground. So next, punta naman tayo kay motherboard. So nasa si motherboard. Ito si motherboard. Ano yung role ni motherboard? This is the backbone that ties the computer components together at one spot and allows them to talk to each other. So meaning to say, itong part na to, this is the one that holds all the things. The graphics card, CPU, our RAM. Ito yung kumbaga dito nagraran lahat. And then kung makikita, as we see, yung mga saksakan natin, mga USB, mga jacks, and the mga HDMI and other components na dapat nagpaparan sa ating computer ay nandito na. So next, power supply. Nasa si power supply. Makikita nyo ito si power supply. Power supply is a device that converts AC to AD electricity. For that po, ang trabaho niya, nire-regulate niya yung kuryente. Kung yung kuryente is medyo mataas, ang trabaho nito, nire-regulate niya yung tamang sukat lang ng kuryente na dapat makuha ng isang PC pagdating dito. And then usually, pag na-convert niya, siya ngayon yung, kung makikita niyo, nandito yung electrics niya, yung mga wires niya, siya yung magpapagana ng motherboard natin. So next, si graphics card. Ito si graphics card. Ano siya? What is the role of graphics card? A component responsible for rendering our displays. So meaning to say, this one is responsible for the graphics of our videos, games, pictures, para mas lalong ma-enhance yung mga laro natin na para nagiging realistic. So siya yung nagpapa-enhance nun. Ayun yung trabaho nito ni graphics card. So next, punta tayo kay CPU. So CPU, ito si CPU, nandito siya, naka-cover siya with parang heatsink or yung blower. So yung nagiging work kasi nito, dahil nga as long the time we use the computer, the CPU will get kumbaga uminit siya ng uminit. So ito yung nagpaparegulate sa temperature para hindi masira yung CPU natin. So what's the work of CPU? The brain of our computer, containing all the circuit needed to process input, store data, and output. So yun yung work nito yung CPU. Siya yung nagiging utak, siya yung nagpapagana, or siya yung pinaka-brain ng ating computer, which is ngayon, kung makikita nyo, connected siya kay motherboard, na ngayon pag na pumasa na yung kuryente galing yung tamang kuryente kay power supply, siya yung magiging utak. Kumbaga sa tao, ito yung pinaka-head o yung nag-iisip lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. So next, punta tayo kay RAM. Saan ba si RAM? Assurance, ito si RAM. Ito. So ano nga ba ang trabaho ni RAM? It's a temporary memory bank where your computer stores data it needs to retrieve quickly. So usually ito, nagiging temporary memory lang siya. Pero paano yun? Usually yung mga nasa-save dito, possible mabura kagad once the computer will be shut down. So kailangan dito nare-retrieve ko agad kasi ito is for temporary usage only, not for long lasting. So ayun yung trabaho ni RAM. Kumbaga additional lang siya, pero sa mga bagay na we save that needed a quick save, and then for us to save it permanently, we must retrieve the file from our RAM. So next, Ito naman tayo kay hard drive. Ito si hard drive. Ito si hard drive. As you can see, hard drive is a component that stores all your digital contents, your documents, pictures, music, videos, paragraphs, and application you prepare. So meaning to say, this one, kung si RAM, pansamantala, ito, pangmatagalan. This one is your main memory. All the documents, files, videos, pictures, and then other documents you save, dito napukita. So ngayon ipag-different na pag-compare natin si solid state kay hard drive. So anong disadvantage dito? This is long-lasting memory, but this one takes time. While our solid state drive is the new generation or the new model of our hard drive. So usually si solid state drive mas mabilis. Ito kasi, as you can see, para siya may plate sa loob. So kailangan niyo pang mag-load para ma-save yung file. Not like ni solid state drive, dire-diretso lang siya. So ayun yung magkaka-parts and the components ng ating isang computer. So thank you so much.